Running in the snowstorm.
Alright, I'm over here getting stuff kind of set up because we are going to do family Murph today. I guess we are meant to suffer. Look at what we have out here. Holy cow. Look at that. It's a full snowstorm.
It's a blizzard, and it's May 23rd, Memorial Weekend. We're on our way to Dad's office to do Murph!
There is a run in Murph. I'm going to give everybody the option whether they want to run in the snow or not. I think we'll probably at least run some. I don't know. It's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be wild is what it's going to be. That's what we're doing this morning. The Snow Day Murph.
Look at big snowflakes. Look at the field.
Okay, so the rules of Murph are a 1 mile run. I wrote it all right here so when you get fatigued and get sick, you know what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, it's a 1 mile run, 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 air squats. And you can break those up however you want. So you can scale any of this. You can do a half a Murph where it's 50, 100, 200, 150. The purpose of Murph and Memorial Day is to like have it suck, right? Like, anybody know who Murph is?
He was a veteran.
He's a veteran. It's a hero wad. It's a fallen soldier workout. It's pretty popular on Memorial Day. If you didn't know, I think it's pretty cool.
Lushy! Running in the snowstorm.
I came from the mud.
Good job, you guys!
There's dirt on my hands.
Come on!
Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Facing on a sleepless night.
Wizard!
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
My feet are so wet. I gotta take rest in my push-ups.
I gotta take rest too. Well, how we feeling?
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin.
Okay?
Won't stop fighting to the very end.
Beach!
Wow.
Hello, Snow Dad!
Well, if you wanna get to heaven,
Go press
you
down!
gotta raise a little hell.
Yeah!
Running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
We're doing
Facing on a sleepless night.
Let's go, team!
Will you find me?
I said 4 or 5.
Hope you find me.
Good job, Mom.
Yeah, Dad.
Dad, are you gonna keep telling us? Yeah, I think so.
What round you on? The killing fall.
13.
Go back! How we feeling?
No, about 7 more.
I'm around at the quarter.
So we just finished 15 more start on 60, right?
Yes.
Oh, let's go!
not where I'm supposed to be. I'm going in circles, going in circles. I should get away from here. There's a better place for me, better place for me. Trying to play my symphony, but there's so much noise around, so much noise around. Constantly fighting for space. I need to clear my mind, need to clear my mind. I wanna be empty, be empty. A sparkle lights a fire. I'm high, I'm a butterfly, a blooming flower, but I am thirsty. A drop of water and another drop of water. Sunlight, I'll soon be rising.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. You got this. You got this. Coming in right there. Yeah.
How am I supposed to
Yeah.
Boy. Webster. Can't breathe. That was really hard, dude. Yeah,
gun to
Tanner!
my head? I got a gun to my
Yeah,
head.
buddy!
A gun to
Get
my
some!
head. Got a gun
Yeah.
to my head.
Had a boy.
A gun
Heard
to my
that.
head.
Here they come!
I wanna
Yeah!
be
Yeah!
empty.
There they are.
Empty.
Heck yeah! Oh my gosh. Dude, you did good. How you feel? Not bad? Not good though?
Pack's like 51. I'm
Dude, you
good.
did it 51.
Oh, I'm dead.
Presto! Yeah, presto! Yoop, yoop. Yeah.
I'm a butterfly.
Yeah, good job, guys! Good job, girls!
Oh man, I'm exhausted. Oh, that's so wet.
Yeah. Good job, team. Murph 2020. Do it!
Murph 2020 Blizzard style.
I'm glad we did it.
Well, we did the whole thing. That was a full grind. Yeah, buddy. We are at the weekend now. You don't even look tired, dude.
Down. Sit. Down. Sit.
You're rude.
Down.
Happy push-ups.
Down. Sit. Down. No. Over.
Yeah. Give him a high five, Mom. Boom. Dude, look at this snowstorm. Perfect day to do Murph. Do Murph in the snow. It'll be fun, they said. We definitely earned Murph today. I think that made it much harder than normal.
Okay, move your hand.
He won't do it.
It's like good boy. Good boy. Good push-ups.
Big. What do you think, Box Dog? How much fun was that? Huh? You good dog.